So I followed this recipe for making Petri, or agar, excuse me, regular plate count agar. They recommended 1 teaspoon of gelatin, which didn't work out very good. You see here it's liquidy. It's not supposed to be liquid. You can't streak grow agar onto a liquid form. So that's going in the trash. But when I added a whole packet and I put it in the fridge, it worked great. So I was able to test right here. This is a modified hectone from an undisclosed place. So I'm gonna grow those for a couple days, probably a week or so. See if anything grows. Okay, bye.